Hi, here's Mark Neva, and we're here arriving in Dunedin in New Zealand. And we're just getting off the ship, and I don't know much about this area. We'll learn about it shortly. That's an older one.
I lost it. I was watching the game on my phone, but
oh, look at the pretty hills.
Picking me out. He must be watching it.
If you ever do feel energetic, you can always bike back in from Dunedin back to Port Chalmers. We do have a bike lane now, all the way.
We had 3 Ford Mach-E's and the Oceania.
Can you ask them to be quiet, please?
We can't sell because there's a recall.
Can everyone be quiet, please, to hear the driver?
That's all right.
Hello? Well, I want to hear you.
I've already talked anyway. Let them enjoy themselves.
Oh yeah, now we're the shit. If you want to know the truth.
Very pretty.
Not ready. Not ready. Someday.
So come with us even more when we take you all over to Dunedin.